What's up and good morning, guys? Welcome back to another video. Derek, this is gonna be the first positive video we've done in a while.
Well, let's find it. Let's wait.
Yeah, okay. So we've got a few things going on in the shop. Number one, we're gonna have an update for this thing for you guys here, but just wait. There is a giant unfolding going on with the Jeep and the Jeep light bar thief. So that's gonna be a whole separate video. Just get ready for that. But it's we're having some fun with this one. Regardless though, the Jeep, aside from its light bar, is pretty much done on phase one. So we're now gonna head over to Courtney Tire. We've got the Dmaxryno wheels that are gonna be going on this thing. Courtney's getting the tires ordered up, and you might notice something missing in the shop right now. The Bronco is no longer in here because, well, Derek has finished her. So she is already at Courtney Tire getting aligned right now because we just want to, we changed a little bit up in the front end. It was just aligned recently when it got its new tires put on, but it's better to have everything double checked now and get it redialed in. So we're gonna head over to Courtney in a second as soon as Derek finishes unloading all the old stuff out of the back of the Jeep there. We'll load up the new wheels and we'll see. Hopefully this thing aligns pretty easily. If not, there's some tweaks that it can make back here at the shop.
Everything you saw come off the Jeep is officially for sale. Let me know if you want anything or saw anything you like.
Yeah, I'm looking for a KC light bar. You got one of those?
Yeah, one, yeah. Just it's the wrong one for this Jeep.
Yeah, look at it. We even got a tow bar if you guys want to, or does that stay with it? Oh, maybe that stays with it. I don't know. I don't know if they're gonna flat tow this thing.
No, that goes with the old bumper.
Oh, okay.
Front. Yeah, because it's got the mounting spot for it. It's not going on this one.
There you go. We'll make you a deal as soon as this video goes live. Very cheap. Otherwise, I'm throwing it away. We ain't got room in the shop. Then he's gonna pull the Jeep out, and then we will head over to Courtney and come back here and start on the next project. All right, we've arrived at Courtney Tire. We haven't even looked at these wheels, so we should probably, let's crack one of these wheels open.
Yeah, I was about to say, I haven't even looked at one of these yet.
See what the Jeep Elac's gonna be looking like.
I mean, at this point, we're gonna own a set of wheels too, if that happens. We're own enough stuff so we can just build one of our own. Right? Okay. That's a look. That's a look. That's a look. All right.
I like a good fake bolt look.
Hey, man, it looks like the, kind of gives like a Humvee vibe, you know?
It looks like everything I think of when I think of a black Rhino wheel. I don't hate them.
Hey, I don't hate them either.
I
like the matte. I don't know. It's underneath. I'm not pulling them.
Okay.
Imagine I get a phone call. It's like, those aren't it. What do you mean those aren't it? Those are the wrong wheels.
I mean, the way our luck has been going lately, that might be it, but we'll see. We got the Bronco over there getting aligned. So excited to have that thing back. I miss having a quiet daily driver. I have to shut all my trucks off in the drive-thru.
Quiet?
It's quiet. I'll take squeaky
quiet,
or whatever.
Quiet. As long as it's not moving, it's quiet.
Yeah. Every freaking diesel I own is so dang loud. I have to shut it off in the drive-thru.
I get tired of shutting it off. I just yell now. I'm like, yap, yap. And I hope they got it right.
All right, now that we've got the maintenance stuff out of the way, the Bronco is back. The Jeep is currently getting aligned. We are getting Derek's Cateye pulled in. This is officially the start of that truck build. Yeah, there's no SEMA crunch yet, but I have a feeling with this one, we're gonna have quite the SEMA crunch. So just to recap, if you guys don't know, Derek's Cateye is not only going to be getting a full paint job done here in the shop, full custom air ride suspension built for the rear, and then something pretty trick that's gonna be going on in the front, let alone 800 other parts that need to go on this thing. And we have August, September. We got about 5 months to do this. And this is all like after hours. We have real careers. We're not working on this full time. I'm very nervous that this is actually gonna make it to SEMA, but we're gonna see. Here's to the start of it. But first, we gotta wash the mama around a Tahoe, you know? It was out at the ranch. She let me borrow it while the Bronco was down. So we gotta get it all doctored up here. All right, Tahoe is all rinsed off. Oh my God, seats, okay.
What's next? Always hated that thing. Put that thing away.
Yeah. Put it through the radiator?
No. Actually, I want to replace this regardless. We already have a new one of these and we have a new one of those. So, yeah. No, please don't, please don't, please don't, please don't.
Alrighty guys, so first things first, obviously we saw from the announcement video, we went ahead and circled everything that's wrong with the body. Well, we circled like a quarter of what's wrong with the body, but a lot of stuff wrong. Derek has decided it's not worth trying to fix this bed, so instead he is getting a used replacement bed that is in much better shape than this one.
Hey, listen, if there's anybody out there that needs this, I do not plan on keeping it for more than like 2 or 3 weeks. So if you genuinely need it, shoot me an offer and let's schedule something. If not, then I'm probably just gonna ditch the thing anyway. So hit me up.
It's not a bad bed.
It's really not. Like if you don't have a bed at all, fantastic. Or if you got like a beat up service bed and you're trying to put a bed back on, it's really not bad at all. It's just not SEMA quality, nor is it worth my time to put into it when I can pay the price and just get a better base start.
Oh man, is this thing full of stuff?
Got a few things.
Just a few things.
So already went to the junkyard, started snagging some things. Yes, I have to get a new hood to work with the new style grill. I have the older style hood. I need the, what is it, the 05 to 06 or 07.
06 to 7.
Something like that. Heavy duty grill or hood. So this hood's gone. The local junkyard had two newer Chevys that rolled in, but somebody's already scouting them out because both of the hoods were missing. So somebody's already running around grabbing all that. But I ended up getting some inner wheel ply. Oh, I don't want to break this. Here, let's see how it is. But what I did end up getting was,
Stop. This thing not have a windshield? It was crusty, musty, dusty.
yeah,
All right.
that's what your Bronco would look like if you drove with your windows down every day on the
Fair.
dirt road. So
That's a work truck right there.
And plus, Ryan and I have already been kind of discussing interior design and options, and this might end up getting covered up anyways. Even if I'm covering it up, I wanted something more solid underneath and not like one of those little plastic like snap-on covers that you glue kind of puzzle pieces back together underneath. Yeah, I know, I hate it.
Make her brand new. It kind of looked better dirty.
Right?
So was it gray and
No,
the mold is black?
They're all black underneath, from what I remember.
Okay.
It's just whatever coating they put on it after the
Gotcha. All right, first modification ready.
done. SEMA ready.
SEMA ready. Look at that, we already got a Gen Y hitch. We're ready, we're ready. I didn't really think this through. It's gonna be a little higher than I want to jump down from.
Well, you just gotta set that one down and you're gonna go down.
Oh, okay. If I can reach. All right, tailgate coming off. Do we get a new tailgate?
Yep.
Sick. All right, so if you're watching this, come get this tailgate. ASAP. And the bumpers.
Yeah. You're going.
Comes with bumpers. Comes with a hitch if you want, like it's kind of preset for a heavy load. That way.
It's all going in the Guy Voyage.
Oh, okay. Comes with some rigid lights. Comes with a genuine Police Benevolent Association Florida supporter. That's authentic. All right, bed bolts are off. Filler neck now needs to come out. And then we got to, look, this bed comes with a tonneau cover. All right. Yeah, no, I'm including it. If any of you guys out there buy this bed, we're including this tonneau cover. And it even comes with genuine Dmaxryno scribbles on it. What's up?
Christmas present from my dad.
Big Bear, if you're watching, this is a fantastic Christmas present. It's going to get paid forward to the next generation, so we appreciate you for giving this to Dedic, but it's got to go. Big Bear, I'll send you a free t-shirt. I got you, dog.
For your troubles.
For your troubles, yeah. That's Dedic's dad, for all of you that don't know. There we go, we're free. There you go. Nailed it. A couple other modifications that Dedic was supposed to wait for to do on this truck until we announced this thing was going to SEMA is he did the Boost Auto key fob upgrade to the new style of key fobs. Super easy to program to these trucks, and then you get the new GM style key fob. What? Showing them this key fob that you're supposed to wait to install, but you didn't?
Oh, yeah. Well, I've got another one.
Oh, okay.
Well, we'll show off that one.
Oh, okay, okay. But yeah, these things are super trick. You can get them from boostauto.com.
Just so nice, I couldn't wait, man. That's like a
Look what I'm wearing today. Boost Auto hoodie, too.
Hell yeah, represent.
Oh, shout out Georgia.
Represent, yeah.
All right. All right, go! Everything clear? rusty. Think this thing's gonna get ready in time? I just got sprayed in the face with black crap.
Looks done.
Now to move this bed around, we're gonna be using the Harbor Freight trailer. We don't still have the top rails here that UPS seemed to have misplaced the brackets on when this got shipped to me. So we're gonna pull some of these little brackets off the side, and then we're gonna lower it onto those 4x4s. Hopefully that's enough. It's gonna look like one of those sick pickup bed trailers. And we'll get this bed out of here, and then probably use this same setup to go pick up Dedek's new bed that I just found out is an hour away.
Come on, man.
Dedek! Dedek, I caught another one! Hold, Chris! Hold, buddy!
Don't worry, dog. The lift holds itself. You don't gotta stay over there.
I got this, Chris. I got this part. You got that part?
All right, go down.
Lay her down, Chris. So she's outside, sprayed off. We are building a different little cradle there for that bed. Original way wasn't gonna work very well safely. I mean, this bed would have been okay with, but for the new one, we don't wanna risk damaging it. We got the bumper coming off. You know, I gotta say, these bumpers are nice. They're clean, simple, they're clean. They ain't no flogs, but
No, absolutely
it's a decent looking factory bumper here though. There she goes. Now we can get a good look at Dedek's sweet hitch angle there.
It's custom, man.
That's level. Holding the camera level right now, and you can see she's ready. Hey. All right, watch your face. Alrighty, y'all, so change of plans. We got a race to go get Dedek's new bed. We've got the trailer hooked up to the Tahoe, and we got us about an hour drive with a 20-minute window to go get it before the guy leaves. So let's see how fast that Harbor Freight trailer can go, I guess. All right, we've just about made it there with low fuel light on. That's probably the fastest the Harbor Freight trailer is ever gonna go.
Yeah.
But now apparently the guy's neighborhood is super narrow. He says you're gonna have to like turn down one street and then back down like 2 blocks, which if you guys ever try to back up one of these little trailers, especially this one, I cannot see it. Yeah, we're just gonna pick the trailer up and we'll walk. This doesn't even look tight. I feel like I could just pull in and we could just flip the trailer around 180. This is a normal cul-de-sac.
We brought the small trailer.
Yeah, we'll be okay. You know, get it. I'll wedge this bad boy right up in there.
I think we're good. I don't think anybody's going nowhere.
I think so.
They'd have to move 30 other cars first.
All right, let's try right there.
Here's your money, Dedek.
Oh, you a sugar daddy? You ever notice we're always a sugar daddy?
I'm paying him back. We just didn't want to run to the house to grab cash from him.
How much you say?
4.
We'll offer 3. Thanks, bud. Looks like our kind of neighborhood. All right, so we disconnected the trailer, got it back up in the yard. We've got the bed on, getting strapped down right now. Package secured. Dedek, do we get lunch now?
Yeah, let's go.
All right, now there's a freezer sitting out by the curb wrapped in cellophane.
Dude,
Think there's any bodies in there?
Let's take it. I don't care.
All right, sick.
Big Lou, take notes. That's the paint job you need.
Trailer successfully made it back with the truck bed. We were a little tail heavy. We probably should have scooched her up forward. I guess we could have come up a little more forward there, but we didn't want to go over about 60 without getting a little squirrely. But hey, we made it safe and sound. Everything's good. Tahoe pulled great.
As per tradition, if anybody can prove to me that you have 01 to 010, right? 01 to 010, I think it fits for these beds, whatever it is.
No.
You have a use for these taillights and you want them, hit me up, pay for shipping, I'll send them out to you.
Right back to work here after our little road trip. Throwing this outside.
I feel like this is probably good.
Jeez. We just get back, we're already making a mess. Replacing that? It's harder to dent it. Try to dent this thing. Do you think you could easily dent it? Do it, right here.
Why would I want to dent it?
It's trash.
Dog, you get a new hood? Yeah. Alright, take it.
Alright. Throw it out in the alley. Go ahead, buddy.
Water tail,
Get your hood. Go ahead, dent it. You wanted to dent it. Let's see it.
No, you said I couldn't. I said, yeah, I can.
All right, go ahead. Punch it, not with your foot. You guys throw my head through it?
Yeah.
Let's see it. It's harder than it looks. we got a tiny little knuckle.
Yeah, see?
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Damn!
You know, those guys that road rage and do that, man, they gotta go back to their car hurting. All right, hood's off, bumpers off, grill doesn't exist. Coming up next, we got the doors. How we looking?
Good. Already got the harness pulled from over here. We just need to pop these.
Chris, you bet you can't put a dent in this door?
Please don't.
Oh, what do we want to do for these mirrors?
I'll give you $10. I'll give you $10 back for these mirrors.
Dang.
Oh, how much can we sell these for? You say I'll
50?
give you your $10 back for these mirrors?
There's definitely not a wiener on this door. Oh, that feels off. I want to go with this thing. All right, I think that'll work. If anybody out there owns a self-storage unit nearby, can rent Dedic some space because we got like 800 parts that are coming off of this thing.
Well, again. Shave the door hinges.
Just go doorless. Put some tubular little half doors.
Why?
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's right. You're just scared of that.
Yeah, it's kind of scary.
Dog, is the new interior gonna be cloth or leather?
I think cloth would be
How
sick.
many times Ryan's ridden in this truck and he just noticed that for the first time?
I just noticed it too.
That means I did a good job.
Never looked in your back seat? How come you never invited me to your back seat?
Listen, man, I was just happy enough to get you in the front seat, all right? Well, when you own the edge,
Ew. Ew. What are you even doing?
that's why we're swapping everything out.
What other stains we got in here, Chris?
A lot. Jeez.
Check the headliner, see how... Next up, we got to get the bed off the lift so we can get the truck in the lift area. So we're gonna stand this one up on Dedic's little engine cart that he made for the K20. This thing out of the way, so if you want it, it's only gonna be here for a very short time. Otherwise, it's trash. 7 hours from this video going live.
Come over my way.
Circle the block. You know, sometimes I forget he rebuilt that engine, and I'm like, man, I was worried that it was not going to get painted in time, the suspension's not going to get built in time, but what if this thing breaks down? You push it in?
Be like half the seat, just push it in.
This thing's picked up like a couple horsepower.
Alrighty guys, well this is the unofficial start of Dedic's truck. Hopefully getting ready for SEMA. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now that we do not miss out on any future content. Don't forget to give this video a like and get a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com because if there's anything you want in this life, you gotta be willing to work for it. Y'all are the best. I'm out.
Damn.